People, it's me, and this is my cousin. This is my ugliest brother ever. Stop laughing! So people, we're gonna try this candy, and it's gonna taste so good. Franklin, that's my cousin Kennedy, that's my cousin Underwood. Ladies and gentlemen, Franklin's gotta swear, guys. He always swear, really swear. Sorry, guys. Sorry. He just had to do that. Oh. Ew! He just farted! Ew, smells like rotten egg! Tomorrow I'm getting my Bean Boozle, I think. I don't know when, but... See? You're right over here! Okay, we're gonna do this. Tag or whatever. Who's the strongest? Me or Ash? Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Bitch. Don't say that. Bend you over. Don't do that. No. Okay. Okay, go. He's cheating! You cheater! No, he's a cheater! Do it over there. Ready? Set, go! Ready? Set, go! See that? I really okay, I'm the strongest. Yeah, because I'm bigger than anyone here. No? Yeah, I'm bigger than you. No? Yeah? 10! No! Well, I'm not bigger. It's old! Oh wow, he ate all the candy. Look, there's no more. Oh no! Oh wow, he's gonna eat his own candy. Oh. Okay, now go. Okay. So I don't know how to go here. I don't know. Oh, Nicholas, and I don't like it. He's no. Delete this one. I swear to you. Yeah, everybody's going to see you swear. No. Okay, I'll make it private. What? Only the people that sign in. But other people can't. Got it? Yes. Got it, guys? Skip JK. I'm just kidding. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not JK. Delete it. I will this way and finish my vlogging. Okay, we're vlogging. I don't know what I'm doing, but cool. Yeah. It's from the spot. No, can't fight. Don't fight. You're wearing a girl shirt. No, you cannot fight each other. You can't fight each other. No, I'm going to make this video and I will post it. Now do something like rapping or something. Okay, this one we were gonna do like a candy testing stuff, but the baby came all because this little kid here. Here, I spoke to China. This is the ice bucket challenge. Yeah. Ew. Ew. That just... You like people, corrupt people. I don't. Ew! Stop! Stop trying to be gay! Okay, well, bye, guys.